Hello, this is Badran Salim Abdallah with student ID number 10017477844, and I will be presenting you the prototype that I have made for water and wastewater engineering assignment. Yeah, as seen right here.
So to start with materials, I decided to use food containers as my main troughs that will be holding the filter mediums. These will serve as points at which water will be passing through at different stages of filtration. I have marked each one of the trough with a respective marking. As you can see, we have F1, F2, F3 and the collection chamber. So inside each trough, I have marked it with a marker to show points at which I am going to drill later on, as you can see. And these points are symmetrical to one another, as you can see. And we have the collection chamber beneath it. Once I finished drilling the holes that I marked earlier, I stacked the trough on top of each other and then glued them, as you can see. Moving to the system description, we have the water pump. This water pump will be immersed inside a trough that contains dirty rainwater that has been collected earlier on this day. So once the pump is immersed into the dirty water, it will suck in the water through this point right here, and then the water will be transferred inside the pump, whereas the water that will be sucked in will be transferred through this blue tube. The blue tube will be connected on top of our first top trough at the inlet. So moving to the filtration stages, the prototype has 3 main filtration areas. The first area is composed of a sponge which serves as a purpose of trapping coarse aggregates from the water. Then the next one has pebbles together with some ceramic rings, and these serves as breeding areas for microorganisms that are found in water. Also at this point I have added some activated carbon, also known as charcoal. These are found in most of our conventional filters at home, and this serves for the purpose of removing odor and killing microorganisms in water. After the second stage, the water moves to the third stage, where I have added a cotton wool. The cotton wool serves the purpose of trapping down all ultra fine particles that are found in water. Then the water moves to the collection chamber. The collection chamber is where we collect the filtrated water. In preparation of running our prototype, we will now immerse the pump into the dirty water, as seen. Then we will connect the hose into the water inlet of our prototype. So now we'll run the prototype by turning on the water pump at the switch. As you can see, the water flows into the first stage of filtration, F1, where coarse aggregates and other materials will be trapped in due to the presence of a sponge of large pores. Then the water will flow into the second point of filtration, which contains the pebbles, and finally the third point of filtration, which contains cotton wool for ultrafiltration. And after that, the water will move to the collection chamber, where we'll collect the water after a few minutes, because the process is somehow a very slow process, as you can see. This is because water needs to pass through different stages of filtration. Hence, if it is done very fast, the water won't be filtered very well. That's why the process has to be slow. As you can see, there is some water flowing now into the collection chamber, so we'll give it 4 minutes and then get back into the video. Yeah, after 4 minutes now we have collected the water at the collection chamber. The water has already been filtered very well, as you can see. So the water at this stage is clean, but not clean enough to drink. So what we have to do now is take out the water and boil it first if we want to drink it. As you can see now, the water has already been boiled and we are transferring it into a glass. As you can see, the water is really clean, that you can even drink it. It has been filtered very well, that there is no residue in it left, as observed. So in conclusion, the prototype is definitely very effective when it comes to filtering the water. As you can see, the water was very dirty at first, and the output that we got at last is a very clean, drinkable and safe to drink water. It is with great belief that I believe this same idea can be done in large scale, and through it you can get clean and safe to drink water. I would like to thank the lecturer for giving us this assignment, as it has helped us a lot in building understanding regarding water and wastewater engineering. I believe that the knowledge that we obtained will be used in a long run throughout our engineering journey. I would also like to extend my gratitude by thanking you for staying until this point of the video. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.